What's going on, everybody? Gaming Diva here, and today I'm going to be opening up my my content creation upgrade camera is here just in time because I am going to be using this camera when I get ready to go to DreamCon with my local gaming crew, recreational gamers crew. Oh my goodness. But anywho. All right, so I already done scratched off my address for security purposes. I'll open this thing here. So this is the ultimate bundle. It came with the camera, and it's supposed to come with a bunch of goodies. Ooh, this is hard. I thought, okay. Whew. Got the sides. This bad boy up. All right. The precious. Guys, the precious. So in the ultimate bundle, it comes with the 50 LED light with 3 color diffusers. Okay. It does come with the hand grip stabilizer tripod. Okay. It comes with the Ultramax professional video stabilizing handle. Right. Okay. Real professionals. And of course, the camera itself, the Sony camera. I will be opening this up. I just want to show you what all is in the box first. Okay. And here is, it's kind of this all together. I'm gonna rip me out the plastic. We acting brand new. All right. It comes with the 128 gigabyte Extreme Pro, your memory card, basically. Okay. Cord, HDMI, micro 6 feet. So I'm assuming I can probably plug this to my computer and my camera, especially if I want to use it for streaming. One of the lenses thingy bobs. Comes with a paper, probably a construction. Oh, okay, so this paper, I'm not going to show you this. But basically, this is the code bundle for the editing software. Get your card reader. Okay, a 2.0. They could have gave us a 3.0, but get the video microphone, extra attachment to go on top. Like a little lanyard thing goes on your camera. Okay, we have the filter. 40.5 millimeter professional digital HD ultraviolet UV filter. You know, your claw, clean off that lens and that little glassy part that's gonna be on your camera. It also comes with a bag for your camera, carrying case. So it comes with this DSLR camcorder gadget bag, VVTAR. Not bad. All right, and then last but not least, we got the tripod for the camera. I also need to get another tripod specifically for my cell phone, because the one that I had with the light broke more recently, and I upgraded my cell phone from Android Club that I've been rocking for all these years to now an iPhone 16. Right? So now the moment you guys been waiting for. I kind of had to pre-open it, you know, because this is rather hard to do with just one hand. So pre-open the box. Let me not do that, so you won't get my QR code. That will be bad. I can't use my own. The precious, you guys. Let's see. Take out the box. Oh, it's very small and compact, very lightweight. Here it is. The Sony Digital ZV-1F. So it comes with the protective top to cover your lens. Okay. Yep. All things are labeled. This is the back part, but you can also lift it and rotate it. So if you're making content, let's say you got it up on the tripod and you want to actually make sure it's positioned the correct way, you can point it, set it, get it ready to go. You can see the image there. Everything's properly labeled. All that good stuff. Yay, the precious. But yeah, it's not heavy at all. Perfect for my size hands. Yep. But just with like everything that's compact, gotta be careful because could lose it. Put the top back on there. Yeah, the precious. Yep. But needed this anyway, not just for content creation, but to record those precious moments. If you have kids, family outings, pictures. And I'm probably gonna do some video, do some streaming with this. A lot of IRL stuff, obviously. But yep, it comes with that. It comes with, I think this is the little muffler thing that goes on top. Yep, a little fuzzy, little thing, little fuzzy thingy thing. Comes with a cord, another cord, and I would want to assume that this is probably the battery. Yep, in the battery. Basically, I did see a bundle kit online that I'm gonna get probably spend 20 more bucks to get. And the battery is very small, but makes sense for a very small camera. Anyway, I hope you and guys and girls enjoyed this unboxing video of the Sony ZV-1F Ultimate Bundle. Oh, and I forgot to mention, so this paper that you get inside, this is basically your editing software for movies and video, and it does give you that license for both, free for 1 year. It says 1 year license, so that means eventually after 1 year is up, you're probably gonna have to pay some type of subscription, or like without me even looking at it right now. But I'll probably do a follow-up video just to show you guys how it works. But anywho, until next time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Leave me comments down below if you have the same content creation camera, what you're going to be using it for, and all that good stuff. Until then, see you in the next video. Peace. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.